Assalamu alaikum. How are you learners? I am Nadia Mughal. This is lecture 3 for class 2. Subject English language. Topic The Trap. First of all learners, I'll give you the short introduction of the story The Trap. The story is about a tiger and a boy. Once the tiger caught up in a trap or bars and couldn't come out of the trap. At that moment, a boy was passing from the bar or trap and the tiger requested him to let it out. The tiger also made a promise that he will not eat the boy. When the boy opened the door of the trap, the tiger quickly or immediately at once caught the boy. The boy requested him not to eat me. So the tiger said, I'll let you go if you ask for help from the three things. If they agree, I'll let you go. So the boy asked for help to the great tree, to the road, and a bullock, but nobody helped him. So when he was walking back to the tiger, he met a jackal. The boy told the whole story to jackal. So the jackal agreed to help the boy and put the tiger back into the trap. Now learners, open your textbook page number 12 and we'll start reading. First of all, there are some words to know. The first word is honest. Honest means good, not false, not telling lies. Immediately, straight away, at once. Jackal, a wild animal like a dog. Matter, problem. Replied, answered. Rubbish, useless. Let's start reading. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried and tried to get out, but the trap was very strong and he couldn't get through the bars. Just then, a boy came walking by. The tiger cried out, "Let me out, my friend. Please let me out of this awful trap." "No," said the boy. "You'll eat me up." "No, no," said the tiger. "I shall be your friend and servant." Then he cried and cried until at last the boy opened the door. The tiger immediately caught hold of him. "You fool," roared the tiger. "Now I shall eat you up." The boys, okay learners, come on textbook page number 13. The boy started to cry and the tiger said, "All right, perhaps I'll let you go. Ask for help from three things you see. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go." First, the boy asked a great tree in the forest for help, but the tiger laughed. But the tree laughed. "Why should I help you?" said the tree. "You are lucky. People take my fruit and cut my branches. Nobody helps me. Go away." Next, the boy saw a bullock working in a field. He asked the bullock for help. "You are lucky," said the bullock. "I work hard all day and get little to eat. Nobody helps me. Go away." Finally, the boy said to the road, "Oh road, please ask the tiger to set me free." "Never," said the road. "You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride all over me. They throw rubbish on me. Nobody helps me. Go back to the tiger." The boy was sad, but he was also honest. He walked back to the tiger. On the way, he met a jackal. "What's the matter, boy?" asked the jackal. The boy told him about the tiger. The jackal felt sad. "I'll help you," he said, and went with the boy to the tiger. "How did you get into the trap in the beginning?" he asked the tiger. Okay, learners, turn the page, textbook page number 14. "Like this," replied the tiger. "But how?" "Show me," said the jackal. The tiger walked back into the trap, and at once the jackal shut the door. "Now stay there said the clever jackal, and he and the boy went away. Okay, learners, open your textbook page number 12. Now underline the difficult words. The first word is C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. T-R-I-E-D, tried. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. S-E-R-V-A-N-T, servant. I-M-M-E-D-I-A-T-E-L-Y, immediately. Immediately means at once. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. R-O-A-R-E-D, roared. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. N-O-B-O-D-Y, nobody. B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock. A-S-K-E-D, asked. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally. L-U-C-K-Y, lucky. T-H-R-O-W, throw. R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish. H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. M-A-T-T-E-R, matter. J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G, beginning. R-E-P-L-I-E-D, replied. W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. And the last word is C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. Now learners, we will talk about exercise part A. Answer the following questions. The first question is, why was the road unhappy? The answer is, people hurt the road by walking and riding on it. Question B, how did people hurt the trees? Answer, people hurt the tree by eating its fruits and cutting its branches. Question C, who let the tiger out of the trap? Answer, the boy let the tiger out the trap. Question D, who put the tiger back in the trap? Answer, the clever jackal put the tiger back in the trap. A2, say if the statement's true or false. The first statement is, the bullock was pulling a cart. False, the trap was very strong. True, you can also write F in front of the false statement or T in front of the true statement. The tree helped the boy. False, the boy was not very honest. False, the jackal was very clever. True. Okay learners, come on textbook page number 15. Working with words. B1, use these words in sentences of your own. Learners, you have to write the sentences of the given words of your own. The first word is friend. Make a sentence by using the word friend like this: he is my best friend. B, immediately. She called me immediately. Rubbish. Throw rubbish in bin. Rubbish means useless. Awful. That was an awful secret. Lucky. Ali is a lucky boy. B2. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. There are some words, learners, you have to choose the correct word to fill the blank. The first fill in the blanks is the jackal dashed to help him. The jackal threw to help him? No. The jackal fought to help him? No. The jackal decided to help him. B. They will not dash to save me. They will not dash to save me. Tell me, learners. Yes, they will not agree to save me. C. This is an dash trap. This is an awful trap. I can't get dash the bars. I can't get through the bars. Okay, learners. B3. Put the following in alphabetical order. There are 3 lists of words. Learners, you have to put these words in alphabetical order as I did. List A: bag, dog, knife, short, part. When we write in alphabetical order, we write the list like this. First, we write the word that start from the letter B, bag. Next, the word that start from letter D, dog, knife, part, and short. Now B4, match the following. You have to guess what the thing is. A thing made of wood with 4 wheels. Yes, a cart. A thing made of metal and wood. Yes, a knife. A thing made of cotton. A shirt. A thing made of glass. A mirror. A thing made of paper. A book. Okay, learners, thank you and Allah Hafiz.